When I was a teenager in the 1990s, me and my friend loved playing computer games. Back then, games were hard to find and very expensive because there was no internet and only a few stores sold them. We used to buy games from other countries and share them with each other. Then a new boy joined our class. He said his uncle had lots and lots of games, so we started trading games with him too. We gave him our real game discs so he could copy them for us, but every time he gave us bad copies that did not work, missing parts, or damaged discs. After many months, we realized he had taken many of our best games while giving us almost nothing useful back. He also liked to make fun of me because I loved the band Queen and the singer Freddie Mercury. He would joke about gay people a lot, and his family was very strict and conservative. One day, our class went to an AIDS awareness event. They gave everyone papers about AIDS and homosexuality, and there were also free condoms with the charity's logo on them. Me and my friend got an idea for revenge. Since we both had computers and printers at home, we made a fake letter pretending to be from the AIDS charity. We copied the logo so it looked real. In the letter, we pretended the boy had written to the charity asking questions because he was secretly gay. We put the flyers and condoms inside the envelope and mailed it to his house in a way that made sure his father would open it first. We thought it would just embarrass him a little, but it became a huge disaster. His parents got very upset, his mother cried, his father became angry, and he got grounded for weeks because they believed the letter was real. At first, he thought someone had really contacted the charity in his name. Later he realized me and my friend were involved because we kept asking sneaky questions to see if our prank had worked. When we finally admitted that we had made the fake letter ourselves, we got called to the principal's office and had to explain everything in front of his parents. Even after 30 years, I still think this was the biggest revenge we ever took.